Hello everyone, my name is Rosie Choudhury. I hope you are all well. So today I am going to present a PowerPoint presentation on a poem of class 8, and the name of the poem is Summer Friend, written by Mary Lamb. Summer Friend is a nature poem. Just like the poem We Are Seven, written by William Wordsworth, which we have already read in our previous class. Mary Lamb, born on 1764 and died on 1847. She was a famous English poet and writer. She is best known today for his collaboration with his brother Charles Lamb on the collection Tales from Shakespeare. She and her brother presided over a literacy circle in London that includes the poets like Wordsworth and Coleridge. So, let's start our today's lesson. The swallow is a summer bird. He is on our chimneys when the weather is fine and warm, may then be heard chirping his notes for weeks together. So, from these above lines, we learn that the swallow is a summer bird and it sits on the poet's chimney when the weather is fair and warm, and it also chirping his notes. Okay. So in the same way, the swallow is compared here just like a fair weather friend, and it stays in the poet's chimney like a guest only in the summer when the weather is fine. Okay. So here we get some unknown words. Okay. The first word is swallow. The swallow is a noun. And what is the meaning of the swallow? The meaning of the swallow, a kind of a small bird. Okay? A kind of a small bird. Our next word is chimney. Chimney is also a noun. And the meaning of the chimney is a structure to carry away smoke. A structure to carry away smoke. Our next meaning is fine. Fine is a adjective. Okay? And what is adjective? Adjective is describing words. The words which describe the nouns or pronouns. Okay? And the meaning of the fine is beautiful. And what is the opposite word of the fine? And the opposite word of fine is poor. And make sentence. Okay. Fine. Today is a fine day. Next word is chirping. Chirping. The meaning of the chirping is twittering. Okay. The meaning of the chirping is twittering. And make sentence. Chirping with this particular word chirping. Sparrow. Sparrow were heard the chirping in the garden. Okay. So my student, what we are learn from this today's lesson? We are learn from today's lesson is this poem Summer Friend is about friendship, and our poet Our poet Mary Lambs defines a good friend by giving example of two birds like the swallow and the sparrow. The swallow is a summer bird. It nests in chimney and sings for week together. Okay, so goodbye for today and stay all well. Thank you.